Police say he was drunk when he admits he struck and killed a bicyclist in Minneapolis. He took off. Tonight he's facing a felony charge, but not criminal vehicular homicide. Paul Bloom joins us now and to explain why. Paul, as I understand it, the cyclist's actions might be behind the lesser charge for this fella.
It is a fascinating legal issue, Randy, that stems from a deadly hit and run from over the weekend here in Minneapolis. A popular young woman was killed along East Lake Street. According to prosecutors, the driver admits he hit her, admits he was drinking, and admits that he fled the scene. But when they filed charges today, they had to settle on a lesser offense. Juan Ricardo Hernandez-Campoceco is sitting in the Hennepin County Jail tonight, charged with felony hit and run and a misdemeanor offense of DWI. On Wednesday, he is scheduled to face a judge just 90 minutes before friends and loved ones of Elyse Stern gathered to say their goodbyes. The 28-year-old Stern was allegedly struck and killed by Hernandez-Campoceco early Saturday morning as she rode her bike towards her South Minneapolis home.
Why he did not stop, I don't know.
On Tuesday, prosecutors laid out their case against Hernandez-Campoceco, who immigration officials believe is in this country illegally. According to the criminal complaint, the 27-year-old admitted to investigators that he had 6 beers at this East Lake Street club, but that he wasn't too drunk when he left. He also admits that he was traveling about 30 miles per hour when he struck Stern and fled. Police caught up with him minutes later and just blocks away, his car's windshield completely shattered.
I'm really reluctant to go beyond what's in the complaint.
In similar cases, we've seen prosecutors charge drivers with criminal vehicular homicide, a crime that comes with a maximum 10-year prison sentence. But here, it's felony hit and run, just a 3-year max. Deputy Hennepin County Attorney David Brown explained that's because it appears that Stern tried to turn left in front of Hernandez-Campoceco, who had the green light along Lake Street. Stern also wasn't wearing a helmet and had no lights on at 2:15 in the morning. Her body was thrown some 70 feet from the intersection.
At this point, there's insufficient evidence that the driving conduct caused the death.
Now, according to the charging documents, Hernandez-Campoceco was extremely drunk. In fact, it says he was, quote, unconscious for hours after the crash on Saturday before investigators could finally speak with him. Because of his questionable immigration status, as soon as he is out of Hennepin County's custody, he will be turned over to immigration officials who are likely to begin deportation proceedings.